Hello and welcome to ImpurityRP. My name is Babylon and I'm a developer at ImpurityRP, a mod for Garrys Mod. The following you will see is our first showcase for the public and shows some of our basic features and ideas for a serious role-playing server around Garrys Mod. We hope you will enjoy the video and will join us up on our site and our TeamSpeak. Enjoy! Alright, welcome to this first showcase of the developer blog. I'm Babylon, and with you is Mario as well, standing in front of me. Hello Mario. We are from project ImpurityRP, the new role-playing game, a mod for the Garrys Mod, coming out soon. We just want to show you something we've been working on for a while. The mod has been a developer since summer last year, so we just want to show you something to the community as well. Mario will go through the cars we have here. Actually, very nice cars. This one is an Audi.
Okay, cars we're using in the mod are made by a very good developer inside of Garrys Mod, known as the Danish Master. He makes some really high quality cars, textures. All these cars you see here, and that one will show you, can be colored to any color you want. Later on in the mod, we will have places where you can buy like paint job things and color your car. Currently, the only way to do it is developer access, so I'm just going to show you a little sneak peek into coloring the cars.
Yeah, one thing you really was going to look into is, like, you can see the details of the car is very detailed. It's going to be very nice, and the car is also going to be very expensive as well. So it's going to be like some kind of oh, nice color. It's going to be very nice having setups like an Audi or Bugatti. We have a Bugatti and a Porsche as well. So it's going to be very nice. Very nice cars indeed. Oh yeah, here's the Bugatti. Very nice exemplar as well.
Babylon will show you around the interior of the cars.
Yeah.
There you go, Babylon.
Alright, first of all, this is our main menu on top. It's been managed by Q and Tab. Basically what you do is like select enter vehicle, press E to enter the vehicle. Oops, we enter the vehicle. You can access the trunk, lock the car. I don't know the car, but you cannot you can lock the car. See how the steering wheel is turning. And this car is a pain in the ass trying because it's very fast, but let's go for a ride anyway. Well, everything's working. Speedometer and interior, everything is working as it should be. And as you see, the car is very detailed.
As you can see right now, we have no like visual HUD system for knowing what your speed is, fuel, and that. That's currently in development, and we didn't want to show it now because it just doesn't look the piece right now. I'm trying my best to make it fit in with the mod. So.
Alright, well, I had an accident there. My Garrys Mod appeared to have been crashed. But anyway, let's go for a ride in the Audi. We're going to show our new night vision script. Also, notice the steering wheel here. It's kind of different. Nice. This is the Audi. This is our night vision script. What you might see is like the blur is very nice. It's like the real version of the night vision script as well. So that's actually something that's been worked on by Mario's side, which is kind of nice. And the engine sound is also very realistic, which is something we really want to put into the part here. It's like make it more realistic than the previous other role-playing mods you see in Garrys Mod.
If Babylon could learn to drive.
It's gonna be hard.
As you may notice, as you get out of the city, the map gets like darker and darker, less street lamps, and this to make it easier and more fun for players. We have the night vision there, so that it isn't impossible to see. But the way we thought, okay, we could have it dark so that criminals have a chance of getting away on these maps, drugs. Even like legal stuff around it.
Exactly. Of course, in the future the lights of the car will be worked on, so you actually can see something if you don't have a light. But that's also something that's coming in the future.
The building we went past there to the right, you may have had a little glance at. That'd be the place where you'll be buying cars on the map. It's not that far from the city, it's just a short, like, 2-minute run from the city. We will have taxi jobs in, bus drivers, stuff like that, so you can get around the map easier if you don't own a car.
I say it's a used car, but oh yeah, it's a car deal. Really nice.
Yeah. It says used cars, but you can trust your cars that you buy here.
Yeah. So Mario, tell us a little bit about what you want the Impurity roleplay to be about.
Well, from the past, from what I've seen on Garrys Mod, a lot of RP servers just don't cut it in the serious line. They start off serious and then they just turn into like an RDM first and stuff like that. So we were thinking, hey, let's remove all the features that cause the RDM and rework them, like the job system where other servers you'll be able to walk up to an NPC or press a button and choose a job. Well, on here you'll be able to, or you'll have to sign up to the forum and apply to become police or EMT or other jobs like that. But we still will have civilian-based jobs where you can get them from a job center in-game.
Yeah, so basically this is more about, well, if you're doing a good job being a role player, you can actually be a good cop as well. So there's no point in actually, well, not being on the server if you don't want to roleplay. And also by the time you enter this game, we will have the TeamSpeak set up because it's already set up, and you will be able to join the police force if you want. We will eventually need both EMTs and police, and well, this mod will also contain a lot of works for the EMTs and PD, so it's not something about you have to like fuck around and do nothing. Well, nothing is going on. There'll be various of job times you can do when being both PD and EMT, and also when you are joining the force, PD force, you'll not be able to be a civilian for the time being in the cop job role. So if you want to be a cop, you can be a cop, but it'll be a full-time job. And also we are working on renting apartment, renting house, maybe buying houses entirely in the future. By the way, this is a car storage, and the NPC down there is actually for storing vehicles. So yeah.
A quick feature I would like to show you now, which is still a work in progress but it's nearly done, is the player menu. You may see it down the left hand side on his action menu there. If Babylon would like to open it.
Hi, welcome back. Sorry for interruption, but apparently my game crashed again. Well, that's the point about having a beta alpha, so you can test things through. Okay, I'm just going to show you our login screen. Basically, when you enter the game first time, or every time, you log using your username and your password, and just press login. It will then authenticate you on the right side, and it will log you in through your forum access. This also requires you to, when you first sign up, you need to create an application and get an interview done on TeamSpeak. On the TeamSpeak, he will ask you for like a TeamSpeak UID and your Steam ID, and we will bind these two things to your actually game account on the forum. So if you're not TeamSpeak, you will not be able to join this beautiful server. But anyway, let's carry on with the player menu.
Okay, if Babylon opens his player menu, we'll run you through the stuff. What you'll see is down the center, the big white box. That there will have the items you have on you and the money you have on you. On the right hand side, you've got a players bit. If Babylon selects that, you'll see it has a list of players in game. Underneath that, you have a box where you can enter a numerical amount of the item, how many you want to use, drop, or give. You've got the buttons for that. You've also got item menu, stats menu, and keys list. Two other things are Call 311 and Call 911. These aren't implemented in game yet, but will be soon. If I'm just going to give Babylon one of test item, and you'll see his menu will pop up with one test item.
Yeah, let's do that. Right now, okay, you can see I'm building I only have... Oh yeah, okay. One test attempt, 1 unit, and you can see I'm building I have $0, so I'm very rich. I'm afraid I cannot get any cast of that, but yeah. So I got one test item, can I use it? Yes,
Probably do nothing.
Oh, well, I feel more high now.
If he selects key list, I don't know if he has any keys.
Oh yeah, I have a beautiful escalator bought for my many dollars.
If you quickly close your menu, I will pass you over some a key for this Dodge Charger in front of you. As you can see down the right, we have a custom message system which shows the last 10 things you basically do, notifies you of stuff, etc. Like where I gave him that key, it tells him about it. He should be able to unlock that car now.
And enter, of course.
Yep. So yeah, if he goes to that NPC down there, he now should be able to store that Dodge Charger.
Hey buddy, I want to store my Josh Taylor. And off it goes.
So if the vehicle's in the garage, you can store it. If it's outside the garage, it will tell you to bring it closer. When you store your vehicle, you keep it. When you leave, when server restarts, you come back, it's all there. If you leave with your vehicle out though, the vehicle will stay on the map, people will be able to lockpick it, etc. until server restart, then it will automatically be stored and be ready for next time you come on.
Yeah. Oh, of course. What about you tell them about what happened if they get kicks off the game because of computer crashing or something like that?
Yeah, problems I've noticed with other RP servers. You have to manually save, or the save system acts when you disconnect. The way we do it is we store the data statically on the server whenever something happens. So if you give an item to someone, you're saved. If you move, you save, etc. So if Babylon just suddenly crashes and comes back, he will spawn where he crashed and he will have everything he had on him.
Exactly. So you don't want to lose anything, which is rather nice. Yeah, do you have anything else to show them?
Not really right now. But I'm ready for the next vlog soon with a couple new features, like including colouring your car, buying vehicles, buying items, and a lot more like that.
Yeah, so stay tuned for the next developer blog. Hopefully we'll see you soon, and hopefully you can go sign up on our website, and we will see you on the forum and on TeamSpeak. Bye.
Bye.